This curry, I must say, is super delicious, and you guys must try this recipe. I'm telling you, looks amazing. The taste is just out of this world. So to season our snapper, I would have already washed my snapper with some lemon. Looks good. And these are our dry ingredients and some of my green seasoning, guys, and this will also be listed in the description box along with the measurements. So what I'm doing here is mixing all of the seasonings together, and then I'm going in with some mustard. I love to season fish with mustard. It has a really good flavor. I'm adding some habanero, and this is just the seasoning for the fish. Now we'll go ahead and season each piece of fish really good. If you can bore the side where the bone is, and you can stuff some seasoning inside of there, give the meat more flavor. And we will do this for all of the fishes and set aside for about 30 minutes. Looks amazing. Now it's time for us to flour the fish. Make sure to coat this fish really well. And I'm just using plain flour, guys, just to flour the fish. Now we will do this for the rest of our fish and leave it there to sit for about 10 more minutes. So to my oil, I'll be adding 1 habanero pepper and 2 cloves of garlic. This actually gives the oil a little bit more flavor. Then I go in with the fish. Looks amazing, guys. And this is what our fried fish looks like. Now we will make our curry paste. Now to my curry, I'm adding some geerah, some masala, and I'll mix this together. Or you can use cumin if you don't have geerah. Now I add some water, mix this to a paste-like consistency. Then to my pan, I'll be adding, I already add 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going in with my curry paste. We're going to fry this curry, guys. We're going to fry it until it becomes dark in color. Not too dark, greenish dark. Yes. We want to fry all the grain out of the curry. Just like that. It looks amazing already. So now what we will add is our garlic, and we will continue to fry this for an additional maybe a minute or so. Let the garlic infuse the oil and the curry paste. Now we go in with our onions and their celery, a little bit more habanero pepper, some fresh parsley, and we will mix this well. We add our potatoes and give this a good mix. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes and keep stirring. Now we go in with our water and some chicken bouillon, some black pepper, and give that a good stir. Make sure to get all that flavor from the bottom of the pot. Now I added 2 cups of water. Now I'm going in with 1/2 cup of milk, and this is coconut milk, and give that a good stir. Make sure to taste, guys. Taste. I know everyone's palate is different, so make sure to taste. Now we will go in after about 10 minutes. The potatoes are nice and soft. We will go in with our fried fish and put that in and let it simmer. Guys, I don't know about you, but I do not like a watery curry. My curry must be thick. Well, not too thick, but it must have body, and it must be packed full of flavor. And this is what you guys have here. All right, now I go in with some fresh tomato to cut the richness of the curry, and some green onions. Smells amazing. Now we will plate this up with some rice, and there it is, guys, our curry snapper. This is a must-try recipe, and if you do, guys, let me know how yours turned out. Okay, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, like, share, and comment. Also give me a thumbs up. All right, this was an absolutely delicious bite. OMG, guys. Thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. Do have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.